Here's a look at the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. We're going to go inside the dashboard and take a look around on this fabulous Jeep pickup truck here. Alright, the first thing that we see when we enter into this Jeep Rubicon for 2020 Gladiator is a luxurious looking dashboard. Something you don't always think about when you think about Jeeps. But here is the dash layout. As you can see, you have the red contrasting color here in the Rubicon. Very nice vents and gauge cluster here. Steering wheel for the 2020. And let's turn her on, fire her up. There's your push button. Got the key in hand, and of course it's got the remote start as well built into the key fob on this. There's the world famous Uconnect system. Very great system here, connecting your media centers and Sirius XM, your phone, your navigation. This is a fully loaded vehicle. The Rubicon's top of the line for the Gladiator. And right here on the steering wheel we have some steering wheel controls. You can change what you see in the center screen. Most of the time people like the miles per hour there, but you can put your radio functions. You can even put your navigation. You can transfer the map over to here into the center stack here in the Rubicon. And here is your 4x4 control there on the left, your gear selector on the right. Got a 12-volt outlet with your center stacked front and rear window buttons, power window. Flip up the media door here and we'll see where we would plug in to charge our devices or phones. There's an auxiliary plug in here for the radio. All in all, very well designed center stack here on the dashboard. 4 auxiliary switch locations right there, ready for off-road lights and things like that in this Gladiator Rubicon. And of course you get the stitched Rubicon leather seats here in this one. Ample storage. Let's look into the storage box here. Stuff for your change, maybe some keys here. And then we have the deeper storage area. There's also another USB port in there, extra for you here. A couple of nice cup holders here. And the old school emergency brake. No, the Wrangler does not have an electronic emergency brake yet. And the Gladiator for that matter. Here's the glove box over here. Nice size glove box for you. So I hope you enjoyed this look inside the 2020 Gladiator Rubicon. Very nice design.